Dear students, yesterday we have discussed about need for paging. Now today we will discuss about the implementation of paging by an operating system. Now implementation of paging. Now paging is a process in which the process is divided into number of pages. Now the main idea behind this is to divide the primary memory also. It means primary memory is also divided. We have a primary memory and we have a process. Now process is divided into pages and the primary memory is divided into frames. In short, we can say that in paging main memory is a collection of frames and process is a collection of pages. So we have main memory and here we have process. The process is divided into number of pages and the main memory is divided into number of frames, and here these pages will get a frame and that is allocated by an operating system. Now one page of a process is to be stored at one frame of the memory. It means one page will get a one frame in the main memory. The page can be stored at different locations of the memory but the priority always to find the contiguous locations. Means that operating system can store a process divided into number of pages at different locations of a memory, but the main idea behind that operating system will always look towards contiguous frames or holes. Now pages are brought into the frame of main memory when they are required. Otherwise, pages are resided in the secondary storage. So we will get an advantage that we always have a space in main memory and the system doesn't hang, because when the pages are required then they are brought into the main memory, otherwise they will reside in the secondary storage, that is a hard disk. Now we have different operating system like Windows, like Macintosh, and different operating system have different frame size. So the memory is divided in the frame by an operating system on the basis of requirement. But one thing must be noted that in order to mapping frames and pages, the size of page must be equal to the size of frame. So let us look toward an example where we have a main memory of 8 KB. Main memory of 8 KB, and the size of each block is 1K. Suppose we have a process P1 that is of 4 KB. So the operating system map this process to the main memory. So here we have a process that is divided into number of pages. Here we have a main memory that is divided into number of frames. So one page will get a space of one frame. So mapping is performed by the operating system. Here the size of the page is equal to the size of the frame. So that is paging. Thank you very much.